There are so many tips on Instagram, on TikTok, on all the different social media channels about how to dress. It's a big topic, a very controversial topic. So I'm going to put my 2 cents worth of my experience in this. There's a 12-point rule. So you can decide what makes you feel comfortable, what is authentic you. But then just ask yourself the question, will this distract your audience or will it attract your audience? That's a big question. So 12 points, just count whatever you are wearing. For instance, my hair is probably a bit messy, so that's going to count for 2. My watch is 1, my ring, these rings, all of that will count. Even my earrings, even my top will count for 2 because there's a bit of detail. You can see the buttons. So before you go out, before you go for that appointment, count yourself and let it be less than 12.